Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add money to Phantom Wallet. So if you want to purchase cryptocurrency or any other sort of coin with the help of money on Phantom, then I'll show you how easily you can get money into Phantom and then how you could spend it. Also, if you're looking to install a Phantom, you can find its link in the description below. So first you just have to simply get the Phantom app from Google Play Store or App Store, and once you have it, simply open it up and make sure you already have created your account onto it. Once the app gets open, it will just take a while to load, and once the loading is done, it will take you to its home page. So there we have different options like you can receive, send, swap and buy, and you can also check out your collectibles that you have purchased like your tokens. Now, in case if you want to add money into it, you have to receive money from another wallet. So for that, you have to click on receive and choose the network of your choice. Once you have selected, you will get the barcode or you will also get that link. Just simply have it. And after that, you just have to open any other app like you can get Binance or any other of your choice. I'm using Binance through which I will add money in Phantom, but you can use any other wallet or any other app of your choice. So as I'm using Binance, I will go to the assets and then I will select this option which is send. And there we have three options. We have to click on this chain withdraw option. And after that, I have selected the Solana from the other app. So therefore I have to search for Solana. It comes with the name Sol. This is the network that I'm choosing. Now you're just gonna paste the link that we copied from Phantom and the network will automatically be selected because of the link that we have pasted. And after that, in the withdraw amount, you have to simply type the amount that you would like to withdraw. That means the money will be sent to the Phantom. So you have to just simply add it. And after that, you have to click on withdraw. And this transaction will just take like a minute or maybe few seconds, and you will receive money in your Phantom wallet. So that's it. You can use any other wallet or platform like I have used Binance. So it's up to you, whatever you prefer. And whatever you do, the process will be same. Like you just have to simply paste the link and you will get the money. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video.